In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix unable to connect to EA servers on Madden 26. So what I did myself firstly is that I clicked on the Madden game right here and I checked for updates, as you can see. So if you don't have the latest update, you can get it by doing that, and that can sometimes also fix this problem, just so you know. Another thing to do is to go into settings here, and if you have a PS5, you can go into users and accounts here, then go into other and click on restore licenses. Select Madden NFL 26 here and click on restore. And then just wait a couple of seconds for this process to completely finish up here, as you can see. And now when we are done, we can go back and click on network right here, click on settings, and then set up internet connection. And in here, just click on your Wi-Fi here and click on advanced settings and DNS settings from automatic to manual, so change it to manual here instead. And primary DNS should be 1.1.1.1. Secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. This is what I use myself to be able to give my Wi-Fi. It does sometimes help your Wi-Fi get a little bit better signal for your games, just so you know. So just wait for it to complete. And now when it's done, you can go back and try once again, and hopefully that will be able to fix it. Sometimes we just unfortunately have to wait for EA Sports to fix it themselves, if it's something in their own system, unfortunately, but hopefully this will be able to fix it for you.